Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So today I'm going to do an unboxing of Boxycharm. If you don't know what Boxycharm is, it's one of the beauty subscription services. I think it's only available in the US because I'm pretty sure we don't have it in the UK, which is why I thought I'd try it out on here. And I just received my first one, so I'm going to unpackage it for you. I'm not going to show you the box because it has my address on it and I don't know how to not show you the address, but I'm going to go through everything that's in it. So let's get started. Okay, so just like I've done videos on, oh, what was the one I used to get at home? I can't remember the box I used to get at home's name, but I used to get one at home, and there's videos, I'll link them down below. But just like in that one, there's a little card that tells you everything that you've got in here, so I should be able to tell you exactly what I've got. So the first thing that I'm seeing is this pack of makeup brushes from Moda, which I've never heard of this before, but it's a 5-pack brush kit. Moda Pro takes Moda to the next level. This line features super quality filaments and modern professional shapes. Use this kit to create endless on-trend eye looks. I'm going to open this and see how these feel. They look good. I love makeup brushes, so anything that has makeup brushes in, I'm happy with. Oh yeah, these are soft. They're actually softer than, they kind of look similar to the Real Techniques ones in the fact that they're kind of duo brushes, two different colours, but they feel a lot softer. So there is a smudger brush. I don't know how well you guys can see this. It wants to focus on my face even though my face is no longer there. But there's a smudger brush. This one says it's a detail brush, kind of like a little pencil brush. An angled brush, which I'll use this for eyeliner. I really like doing eyeliner with eyeshadow and a little angled brush, and this one's really cute actually. The one I currently use is a mini one, so it's half the size of this, so that's cool. A crease brush, I feel like you can never have enough crease brushes, and this one's super fluffy. I love crease brushes. I do the whole of my makeup with crease brushes. And then also a shading brush. So this is kind of one of those flat shader brushes. Also very soft. I think the thing with Boxycharm is, in the box I used to get in the UK, which, why can't I remember the name of it? But it was you get some full-size things and then others would be tester sizes, whereas I think Boxycharm is all full sizes, which is super exciting because I don't know, I didn't use the testers as much as I probably should have, but this looks like it's all full size. Okay, so when I signed up, because I was new, I used a new code, so I've got this for being a new customer, which is the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh powder. And actually, I feel I needed a new powder, so it's just I got the classic Becca. I don't know why this isn't automatically focusing. There we go. It's a loose powder, but this looks like it should be nice. I assume that it's a translucent shade because, oh, that's cool, okay. So when you open it, it's a little plastic thing, and then I think if I take out this piece of paper, because this was an extra thing, there's not a description of it. But I guess we'll find out. Why can I not get this off? Oh, okay, that's nice. Okay. Once you're in, I don't want to there's a little mesh net there, so that's how you get the powder out. I'm excited to use this. I don't normally use loose powders, but I feel Becca's such a good brand that I definitely am going to try that out, probably when I do my makeup either later or if we go out or tomorrow. Oh no, tomorrow I think we're going to the beach, so maybe not tomorrow. Okay, so the next thing I'm seeing is a Hank and Henry Slick With It. I've never heard of this brand. Hank and Henry Blickety Black Eyeliner. Introducing our latest addition to the Slick With It line of eye products. Our eyeliner is a vegan liquid formula that dries down to a satin matte finish. The formula is extremely long wear and transfer resistant, which is perfect for those with hooded eyelids. That's so cool. Okay, I've never heard of this, but I'm all about, I kind of want to start looking more into which brands are vegan and making sure I'm buying from vegan brands, because like I'm vegetarian anyway, so I definitely, like, I'm aware of some of the brands that do animal testing, but I want to be like more aware of it. So if you've got any good like vegan makeup brands or just like cruelty-free brands, let me know in the comments down below, because I definitely want to be like start being more conscious with my purchasing about what I'm getting and whether it's like cruelty-free or not. Okay, I've never had an eyeliner that makes this sound before, but I love this sound. It's very satisfying. It has like a brush tip, which I like, and that's a really nice, like, hang on. Like, that's a good, like, strong colour as well. I shall be using this next time I do my eyeliner. And that's really cool that this, like, this is the thing I love about these, like, kinds of boxes, is because it introduces you to brands you've never heard of. Like, I don't know whether this is an American brand or not, but, like, I've never heard of this in the UK, so I'm excited to try that. Right, okay, the next thing I'm seeing is this, which says it is the Dr. Brandt Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Again, I haven't heard of this brand either, but that might just be, I'm not like fully aware of like skincare brands, so. What this says is a hydrating recovery sleeping mask that balances skin's naturally occurring flora and locks in moisture overnight to reduce redness and soothe the signs of irritation. That sounds good. My skin's not like great at the moment, so that sounds exciting. And I like sleeping masks because I feel like they're like so little effort compared to like normal masks, because you can just pop it on and then go to bed. That's what the light bottle inside looks like. I've also forgot to be saying that these are full sizes and it says the price. So this retail would be $52, and I think the Boxycharm is like $20 a month, so you're getting your money's worth. I will get back to you on how this is, because obviously I can't really test it out right now, but I'm excited for that. Okay, what am I seeing next? Next I'm seeing, ooh, this is Laura Geller, which is a brand I've heard of and looked into buying before but never actually got around to buying. And this is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. Illuminate your natural beauty. This innovative hybrid texture applies like a sheer powder but feels like a cream, creating a translucent wash of luminous colour that can be swept all over the face for a lit from within glow. A fresh 3D design captures the look of our favourite Italian dessert and lasts until the very last application. Oh, so the design, if you can see the pattern, apparently that's going to last the whole time, which is kind of cool. Let's see. Oh, it feels nice. It's such a pretty colour. Oh, that's like super pretty. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of like here. But like, okay, well, I'm currently living in LA, so I expect to get more tanned, like we're going to the beach tomorrow. That's like a great colour for like if you're tanned. So that's exciting. I'm excited to use that. I'll probably try and do like a video using some of these products that like you guys can see how they work. Okay, and the last thing in the palette is this palette from Violet Voss, and it says Essentials Eyeshadow Palette provides revamped essential shades and an equal number of breathtaking mattes and metallics so you can create the most fashion-forward neutral looks. The Essentials palette was designed for everyday use in a stunning mix of warm and cool tone shades for countless colour combinations. Rethink Essentials and effortlessly take your look from day to night. Achieve a soft glam or go bold with a pop of colour. The choice is yours. So the inside, oh, okay, that's pretty. Hang on. Okay. I've heard about Violet Voss palettes before, and apparently they're meant to be really good, but look at like the range of colours. I love how they call this neutral, because I would not call this a neutral palette. I would call this like a bit of an out there palette, but like I don't, okay, I do own green eyeshadow, but I don't own any greens like that. Or like a gold like that either. Like this is going to be fun to play with. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is like pigmented. Let's try a few different shades. Okay, that's just a few of the shades on my hand, but they're like super pigmented. Like that's exciting. Like I'm definitely an eyeshadow person, and like look, there's like a mirror as well, which is great. Oh, it's got one of these satisfying, hang on, oh, so satisfying. This is super exciting. Like I never got a full-size palette in the ones in like the beauty boxes at home. I'm definitely impressed by Boxycharm. Like that's like a good set of like products. Like all of them are full size. You've got eyes, you've got brushes and face, and also a bit of skincare, which I really, really like. So yeah, I'm excited to try that out, and I'll get back to you on the products that I liked the most and whether I didn't like some of them. So keep an eye out. I'll probably do, I feel like I want to do some more like makeup videos. Like I started YouTube doing makeup videos, and I haven't really done loads in the last couple of years, so I'd like to do some more. So I'm gonna play around with these and then get back to you another day. I really hope you enjoyed seeing me unbox my first ever Boxycharm box. It was super, super fun. I think I'll definitely get them for the whole time I'm here in America, but that's only like 3 boxes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe, it would mean the world to me, and make sure you like and comment on this video as well. And I will see you in my next one.